All right. Gause Garage coming to you from Carlisle, Pennsylvania, 2023 Chrysler Nationals. This will be a multi-car presentation this time, and what you're looking at is a 1969 J-Code Hemi GTX in stunning black paint and detail. Obviously, just came off the Power Tour from 2003. .727 automatic, X9 over X9. Every detail on this car, the bright bits all the way down to the paint. You can't beat a black J-Code Hemi GTX, folks. Moving over to the next car, you have a absolutely drop dead gorgeous. Looks like R6 red GTX 440 with the saddle interior. Auto Magic as well. Very well restored. Nice paint. GTX was the top of the line Plymouth in the muscle car department. That's why you had reserved for it the 440 engine or the optional Hemi. Roadrunners had 383s or the Hemi, so as not to encroach on the GTX premium territory. Moving over next to it is an absolutely beautiful concourse prepared blue B7 blue GTX convertible. And if you look closely, you'll see the preparation on this car is indeed concourse or near concourse condition. Full documentation at the front of the car. Again, this model was created to compete against the Pontiacs, the Oldsmobiles, the 442, the GTOs. Premium packaging in these cars. Window sticker, and take a look at the reflections in this paint. So this gave Chrysler owners an opportunity to get a very luxury laden muscle car that would most definitely rifle the best of the 442s or the Pontiacs. Undercarriage has been done thoroughly. And to round this out, let's take a look at the sign here, folks. Yes, an excellent offering from Plymouth that rivaled any Pontiac or Oldsmobile in the market at that time. This is Gause Garage, Carlisle Nationals, 2023. Thank you very much.